What's up guys? So today we're going to make our story of our lives. So I encoded in WPS, so that's the product of my encoded. I created that in my own story. And that's the process. First is I encoded in my WPS, so that's my work. Then the text is 4158. That's tape. Then done. Then after I encoded, I pass it in the computer. So that time I will edited the fonts, including the footer and margin and the size of the text or the words. Then I type my name. Then that's Jeremiah Tarihas. Then after my name guys is, then I bold the title, then size is 14, then I copy, then I edit the size of the fonts guys. Then New Roman size 12, then after, then that's the size. And I scroll. The next is the margin 1.5 each side, then the left side is 2 inch. So that's it. Then ready for print.